Hello and welcome to the session. Research for Strategic Managers LO1 Defining Your Research Objectives. Are you ready to master defining research objectives? This video explores common pitfalls and strategies for successful research planning. Discover how to avoid unfeasible objectives and enhance your academic journey. Choosing your research area is crucial. Tutor's guide, but the decision is yours. Well-defined objectives are key to completing your studies. Unclear objectives can hinder your progress. This section highlights ways to avoid impractical objectives. Master's-level researchers face three common traps. The trap of Narcissus focuses on titles over substance. The trap of Hercules involves overly ambitious studies. The trap of Cerberus deals with access issues. Understanding these traps helps in avoiding them. Starting with a catchy title can lead to the Narcissus trap. Titles should not overshadow research objectives. Falling in love with a title can delay progress. Focus on deliverable objectives instead. Avoid titles that are too broad. Research objectives must be realistic and focused. Titles like Islamic Banking's Global Influence are too broad. Consider what you can deliver with high quality. Narrow your area of study for better results. Think beyond impressive titles. The Hercules trap involves too many objectives. Overambitious research can dilute focus. Even well-defined objectives can be too numerous. Avoid including too many sub-themes. Concentrate on a few key areas. Having numerous objectives can be problematic. Examples include lengthy lists of goals. Focus on a few well-defined objectives. Avoid unnecessary complexity in your research. Simplicity leads to clearer outcomes. Sub-themes can complicate research objectives. Avoid combining too many themes in one study. Focus on a single, coherent theme. This ensures depth and clarity in your research. Simplify for better results. Incorporating multiple academic areas can scatter focus. Stay within a specific field for clarity. Avoid spreading your research too thin. A concentrated approach ensures depth. Choose a singular academic focus. Comparative research requires careful scope consideration. Be mindful of the comparisons you plan to make. Ensure the scope is manageable and clear. Overly broad comparisons can dilute your study. Focus on specific, relevant comparisons. Avoid listing everything you want to research. Focus on a few key areas for thorough investigation. Discuss your objectives with peers and tutors. Hercules' strength was in focus, not breadth. Prioritize depth over quantity. Cerberus trap involves access issues in research. Organizations may deny access for competitive reasons. Empirical research requires permission. Plan for potential access challenges. Collaborate with willing organizations. Be cautious with research needing organizational access. Consider the sensitivity of your research topic. Ensure you have permission to collect data. Avoid relying on unwilling organizations. Plan for alternative access strategies. Take time to reflect on your research objectives. Clarify and narrow them as needed. Consider which organizations might assist. Think critically about your research scope. Ensure your objectives are feasible. Explore examples of successful research proposals. Learn from past projects to guide your own. Analyze the structure and focus of these examples. Use them as a benchmark for your proposal. Access examples through available resources. Reviewing past projects provides valuable insights. Understand successful strategies and common pitfalls. Apply these lessons to your own research. Use past examples as a learning tool. Enhance your research planning with informed decisions. Make use of resources like Moodle for guidance. Access research examples and materials online. Use these tools to refine your objectives. Resources provide a foundation for your research. Stay informed and prepared. In conclusion, clearly defining research objectives is a crucial first step in research for strategic managers. Well-defined objectives provide direction, focus the research process, and ensure that the study addresses relevant strategic issues. Clear objectives support the selection of appropriate research methods and help align findings with organizational goals. Defining research objectives enables strategic managers to make informed, evidence-based decisions that support long-term success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843 61688.